Using a suitable tool, score the outer jacket and remove as shown. Now mark the armour wires, score with a hacksaw and remove. Now bend back the armour wires, ready to fit the armour support ring. Mark out the inner bedding and remove the fillers to this point. Remove the backing paper from the mastic tape and apply to the inner bedding. This will stop moisture travelling down underneath the armour wires. Lay the copper earth straps onto the copper tape screens, securing with the constant force roll springs supplied. Apply further mastic over the braids and the earth braids will be clamped down at a later stage along with the armour wires. Do this at both sides. Now the joint has a long side and a short side. The long side is for parking the connector insulation tubes onto the cores. So we're now marking out the short side. We now need to remove the copper tape screen, so the best method of doing this is to fit a roll spring on the core, peel back the copper tape screen to the edge of the roll spring, carefully make a small cut and peel against the edge of the spring. Once we've done that on all three cores, make a mark on the semiconductive layer, and this will be our screen point. Apply PVC tape sticky side up so as not to leave any residue onto the core. And the best method of removing the easy strip type semiconductive screen is by using a round file, or commonly known as a rat tail file. File around the core as shown until you see the white primary insulation beneath. Do not use a sharp knife or a Stanley knife to do this. This is a very, very critical point of the joint or termination. Scoring tools are available with a blade that is set at 0.4 millimeters, so this doesn't score the core beneath. Make 3 or 4 tram lines down the length of the core, and this will make it easier to remove. There is no need to use glass to do this. If you've got a bonded semiconductive layer, then there are specialist tools to do this. Again, don't use glass. Now we're fitting a mastic crutch wedge to help prevent moisture that may be existent in the cable. We're now going to fit medium voltage mechanical connectors. The advantage of these is they will suit copper or aluminium conductors and will cover a wide cable range. So mark out the primary insulation to half the length of the connector plus 5 millimeters. This is a primary insulation removal tool that makes the process of removing the insulation quick and easy. Now score the semiconductive layer over the conductor and remove.